Yeah, hi Lasse, in Denmark. This is Mark, FMAV Repairs, doing your lasers for you. I always do videos for people and they can actually see it all working and they're happy that the job's been done. Basically on this particular model, this is number 1 of 4, okay. I've replaced the laser. I've put a new laser in for you. Okay, so there's your part there. Okay, everything's original on there. All I've done is change the laser on this one. Oh, and I changed no, I didn't change, but I cleaned the micro switch because there's a micro switch there, because it was making a funny noise like it was going like that. So I done that for you. So that's all working as it should be. So I'll bag that one up and get that one ready, and I'll carry on with the other repairs. Thanks very much.